What is an IP address and how does it work? Let's take a look. An IP address, or Internet Protocol address, is a unique identifier assigned to every device connected to the Internet. It is used to identify and locate devices on a network and enables communication between them. IP addresses are made up of a series of 4 numbers, each separated by a period. For example, 192.168.1.1. The numbers can range from 0 to 225 and are represented in a binary form in the computer's memory. There are 2 types of IP addresses, IPv4 and IPv6, and in case you're wondering, the V just means version. IPv4 addresses are the most common and consist of a 32-bit number, while the IPv6 addresses consist of a 128-bit number and are designed to accommodate the growing number of devices connected to the Internet. IP addresses can either be dynamic or static. Dynamic IP addresses are assigned by a DHCP server, which stands for a Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and this changes each time the device connects to the network. Static IP addresses, on the other hand, are manually assigned and remain consistent. In order to access the Internet, devices need to be assigned to an IP address, which can be done automatically or manually. The IP address is used to route the request to the correct destination. So in summary, an IP address is a unique identifier assigned to every device on a network that enables communication and routing of Internet traffic.